Haven't seen this much of the sun since the video on manufacturing clouds from 3 days ago. 24 hours covered, and we still are. Yeah. Slight halo behind there, huh? There's been flash flooding in Charlotte, which is like 25 minutes from here. You can tell by my videos, I haven't been able to get anything. It's the first sunlight I've seen. And it's full moon coming up tonight. They got the sky covered where you cannot see the moon. Knock off your incubating hurricanes and storms here. We're tired of it. Love y'all.